In Cantor, we can replace a player by going to the Players menu and choosing Modify. Double click on the player to change. In the Player Edit dialog, next to their name, choose the Hand button to go to the Rating Central list sorted by name. This selects the first player of that name, not necessarily the player we have already. In the dialog behind, we can see that player 137687 is actually our second alphabetically listed player. In any case, we want to replace them with our first one, so we then click on them and click Overwrite Player and click Save. That player's been replaced. Let's do it again. This time we'll choose the second player, double click. This time we'll click on the little hand next to the Rating Central ID. This brings up our player and selects them, but it's not useful because the players aren't sorted alphabetically. Click on the name checkbox to sort alphabetically. This keeps our player selected, and now we can choose another player nearby. In our case, we want to replace them with the player above. We click on them and click on Overwrite Player. We then click Save. We've now replaced our players and we're now ready to submit